It's easy to use our online training center. From the PowerLogic website, simply click on the Training Login tab on the top right hand of the screen. If you haven't registered on our training center before, you simply need to enter some details and then activate your account from an email. Once done, you will be able to sample our free course at no cost and look at other courses that may be of interest by simply clicking the Course Catalog tab in the top right. Once you have selected a course, you will then need to go through and check off each section, ensuring a green tick is placed next to each item. To ensure this is done correctly, use the big orange Completed tab at the bottom of the screen. Whilst working your way through each section, you will watch multiple videos and be required to do some assessments. Some of the courses have practical videos, which have assessment questions inbuilt. For example, the street light column practical video in the electrical shock investigation course. They are generally around test results, so it may pay to write the test results down for calculation purposes. Depending on your speed of your internet connection, you may have to wait a short moment for the videos to pop up and start playing. If you don't pass on the first go, you will need to click the blue Completed tab and then the Not Passed, click to Try Again tab to have another go. You should download the ebook before starting the module from the Files tab in the top right hand corner of your screen. Depending on the type of learner you are, you may wish to just read the notes instead of doing the videos and then do the assessments, but are highly advised to do both, and you will need to watch the practical videos. The videos can be sped up if you find they are a little slow for your liking. Closed captions are also available for many of our videos. VPN connections are not recommended for the practical videos, and Apple devices have a few quirks. Check out the discussion board on the right to learn more. Upon completion of each course, you are required to do a short feedback form, and then you can download your own certificate, which will also have your CPD hours included. We hope to see you all soon, and remember, there is power in knowledge.